At the time, as a younger captain, I didn't work with a lot of other officers outside of maintenance. So that was a great opportunity for me to kind of see all the other different career fields in greater detail, because not only when I was a student at SOS, I got a good sight picture what that looked like, but as an instructor, then I got 14 new students every time. So then when I went to DOFRA, I had a huge, better sight picture of what that really was. It was able to put me on a different common language that I didn't expect. When I go to be the commander, it's going to be the same exact kind of concept. I'm going to have to worry not necessarily about the aircraft as much now as a commander, but I'll be responsible for the airmen that are going to be maintaining those aircraft. So I have to make sure that I take care of them as best as I can, make sure they're properly trained and equipped to do their jobs. And if they're not, I need to figure out why. And that could be medical, that could be, I might need to go to talk to the JAG guys, I might need to go talk to security forces. I mean, you know, these are all the other envelopes that I'm gonna have to open up for my airmen. So that's gonna be my networking responsibility to make sure that I can get my airmen everything they need to be able to do their jobs. That's Air University.